Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us move to the next topic of index number, that is weighted average of price relative method. So already in my last 3 lectures I have explained you what is index number, methods of constructions of index number, then examples of simple aggregate method, then what is last pair, Paasche and Fisher's method. So this is the last part of index number, and this is the type of index number under weighted index number. Okay, so under weighted index number there are two types. One is weighted aggregate, and this is the second part, weighted average of price relative method. So under this weighted average of price relative method, to find weighted average of price relative method, the formula is summation of PV. Summation of PV. V means value weight, okay, and summation of PV divided by summation of V. So V stands for value weight. Okay, so let's try to understand this method by taking one example. So example is calculate weighted average. Calculate weighted average of price relative index number. So we have to calculate weighted average of price relative index number of the prices for 2015. Okay, of the prices for 2015 on the basis of 2014 from the following data. So this is the data: commodity A, B, C, D, E. So in this weight in this example or in this method, weight means what? Quantity. Okay, so quantity is weight means what? The quantity or weight of the commodity. So quantities are given, then price 2014, price 2015. So on the basis of 2014, so 2014 is what? Base year. Okay, so 2014 is base year and current year is 2015. Okay, now how to solve this method? So prepare this table, commodities. In first column you are going to write the weight. Okay, now weight is what? Weight is going to be denoted as Q0. Okay, and prices 2014 will be denoted as P0. Prices in the year 2015 will be denoted as P1, and next is what? Next column is of P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Now P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100 is what? To find price relative. Okay, price relative. To find price relative we are going to use the formula P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Next is value weight. Okay, value weight is what? V, P0, Q0. How we are going to find value weight? By P0, Q0. Okay, I will explain further. Then next last column is PV. Okay, PV means price relative multiply by V. Okay, so first of all prepare, you have already prepared. Now write all the values of quantities. Okay, write all the values of quantity under Q0. Okay, means weight. So 20, next is 12, 8, 4, 6. Okay, next write all the values or all the prices of 2014 under P0. So 20, 15, 10, 5, 4. Next you are going to write all the prices of 2015, that is P1, 35, 18, 11, 5, 5. Next what we have to find? We have to find price relative. Okay, price relative. So how you are going to find price relative? You are going to find price relative by dividing P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. So now what is P1 here? P1 is 2000 prices of 2015. P0 is prices of 2014. Okay, so 35 divided by 20 multiply by 100. Okay, so divide 35 by 20 by 100. So answer you get 175. Okay, 175. Next is what? 18 divided by 15 multiply by 100. What is the answer? 120. Then 11 multiply by 100, 11 divided by 10 multiply by 100. Answer you get 110. Next 5 divided by 5 multiply by 100, you get 100. Then 5 divided by 4 multiply by 100. So answer is 125. Okay, 125. So you have got all the values of price relative, that is divide P1 by P0 multiply by 100. Okay, next is what? P0. V, value weight. Now how to find value weight? Now see carefully. We have to find V. So how you are going to get the value of V? By P0 multiplying P0 by Q0. Okay, so where is P0? Here, and Q0 is here. So multiply P0 by Q0. So 20 multiply by 20, we get 400. Okay, then 15 multiply by 12, we get 180. Next 10 into 8, 80. 5 into 4, 20. Okay, next 4 into 6, 24. Okay, so we have got value of V, that is value weight, by multiplying P0 into Q0. So 400, 180, 80, 20 and 24. Now next last column is what? PV. Okay, PV means what? Price relative. So how you are going to get this column answer? PV. So V is this column. Okay, value weight. V is this column. So now multiply 175 by 400. Okay, multiply 175 by 400. So then you will go and get the value of PV. Okay, so once you multiply 175 by 400, you are going to get 7,000. Okay, next 120 multiply by 180. Okay, so PV you are going to get by multiplying this column by this column. Okay, so 120 multiply by 180. So you are going to get 21,600. Okay, 21,600. Next 110 multiply by 80, you are going to get 8,800. Next 100 multiply by 20, 2,000. And last 125 multiply by 24, 3,000. Okay, so clear? This is to get the answer of P1, P0, then V, then PV. Simple, I will explain you again. First PQ, Q0, P0, P1. Okay, all this value you are going to get from the question itself. Next, what you have to find? You have to find price relative. How you are going to find the price relative? By taking the formula P1 divided by P0 multiply by 100. So P1 is here. So divided by value of P1 by P0 and multiply it by 100. Write the answers. Okay. Next P0. Q0, that is value weight. Okay, how you are going to get the value weight? By multiplying the values of P0 by Q0. Okay, and last is what? PV. How you are going to get the values of PV? The multiplying this column. Okay, by multiplying the price relative by value okay, by V. Okay, so 175 multiplied by 400, 7,000 and so on. Okay, now as note down the formula to calculate weighted average of price relative method. So formula, write down the formula. Formula is summation of PV divided by summation of V. Okay, so add the values of column V. Okay, so make the total summation of V is equals to 400 plus 180 plus 80 plus 20 plus 24. So answer you get 704. Okay, next is what? Summation of PV column. So 7,000 plus 21,600 plus 8800 plus 2,000 plus 300, 3,000. So answer you get 105,400. Okay, so I will write the values here and write all the values as per the formula. Summation of PV is what? 105,400 divided by summation of V, that is 704. So I will write summation of PV is equals to 105,400 and summation of V is equals to 704. Okay, so now divide 105,400 by 704. Okay, so answer you get 149.71. Okay, so this is the final answer of weighted average of price relative method. In this method you have to calculate or you have to find the weighted average of price relative method. Note down this in your notebook. Okay, so I hope you have understood the chapter index number. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.